Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not loading after a Microsoft Store update on Windows. First, reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and type WS reset and press enter. A blank command window will open and close after a few seconds. This clears the store cache and can fix loading problems. Next, check your time and date settings. Open Windows settings and go to time and language. Make sure set time automatically is turned on. If your system time is wrong, the Microsoft Store and Roblox may not work correctly. Now, sign out and sign back into the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon at the top, and choose Sign Out. Then sign in again using your Microsoft account. This refreshes your account connection. After that, clear Roblox temporary files. Press Windows key and R again, type %loca app data %, and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This removes corrupted files that may stop the app from loading. Finally, reinstall Roblox. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Roblox in the list. Click the three dots and select Uninstall. Once removed, open the official Roblox website and install it from there. After that, try launching Roblox again and check if the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching.